In this episode of Bobscaping, we're going to reshape this burning bush, and since people seem to enjoy fast trimming videos, we did that 3-minute boxwood trimming video that's so popular. Let's see how fast we can trim this burning bush. It's about 2 or 3 times bigger than that boxwood, but not quite as dense. So we'll start the clock when the trimmers touch the shrub, and we'll stop the clock when the trimmers come off. Here we go. Okay, stop the timer. It's not perfect, but close enough for government work, as the saying goes. For this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.